How we handle car accident cases are just like this. When you call us, we get you signed up. First thing we do is order the crash report. We meet with you in person, get all the facts of the case, and then we immediately react. The crash report's going to have everything, the facts of the wreck, the location of the wreck, the insurance companies involved in the wreck. We're sending out letters of representation, preservation letters for any dash cams available, or any, in semi-truck cases, any black box data that we use. And that's why it's significant to get into us as soon as possible, because timing is of the essence of a lot of these things. So all of our letters of representation go out, preservation letters go out, crash report, we find out what kind of insurance coverage there is. All the while, our investigators are out establishing liability. So if it's a rear-end collision, that's one thing, but if fault is contested, we've got investigators that'll go out canvassing the area for surveillance videos, taking witness statements, and everything that we can do to solidify our liability arguments. I tell my clients all the time, we have to prove 2.5 things. Just establish the liability. Once we have that solidified, we are simultaneously discussing and proving up causation and damages. Did the accident cause your injuries? Injuries or damages. So that's when we're getting our clients into, if they need to the doctors, if it's Savannah or any of the surrounding counties, whatever it may be, we're able to get them into the doctors, and we have doctors all over Savannah. So if you're on the north side of Savannah, we can get you in there. If it's the south side of Savannah, we can get you into there. It depends on the location. And the doctors will be treating the clients, all the while finding out what those injuries actually are and treating them. At that point in time, we kind of take a step back and look at the big picture, which is, what are the injuries? What is the future treatment that is going to be needed? And what does that picture look like? And if it's determined that whether that they're completely healed, then we make a demand, which is we summarize all the records of bills, the injuries, the liability aspect, and we make a demand for X amount of money. At that point when we get that number back, is we analyze it to see if it's sufficient or not. And if not, then we take the case, we review it, and send it into litigation at that point. So if you are involved in an auto accident in Savannah or surrounding areas, call Farah Farah. We'll make you part of the Farah family. We'll fight for your rights. We'll fight to get every amount that we possibly can.